Are you running one of these rowdy AULA keyboards on your Linux system and you can't get your function keys to function? All they do is the media keys that nobody asked for. Even if you go through your settings here and settings on your actual PC and nothing works, I figured out how to do it through the terminal. It's pretty straightforward. So check this out. First command is this one. It's already up there. That puts it in some type of hardware monitor. Then you've got this command, and then it's going to print back a 3. You want it to be a 2. And the way you get that guy to be a 2 is this command right here. Yeah, see? fnmode 2. Then once you set it to 2, there it is. There's another command that you run next. Right here. And then once you run that command, it like puts it permanently into the system configuration or something like that. Then after that runs, you reboot the system. And then once you come back up, open up your terminal, run that, and it'll say 2. And if it prints a 2 and you press Alt F4, boom, it works again. All your function keys work and they stay that way. And if you want to go back to media mode, just do that same command, but change it from 2 to 3. And that's it. That's all she wrote. So shop smart, shop FRYEMART. Peace.